Peace is here.
Hi.
Hi, welcome to our YouTube channel. Peace, are you okay to post this on social media?
Yeah, no problem.
And Peace having a little bit. She had an experience in driving, and it's the first time you're driving in
London, in
London,
the UK.
in the UK. So let's see how it goes, and we're gonna work towards it. Yeah,
sure.
Fine. Thank you very much.
English and
Okay.
Leave.
Fine. It's running. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's recording now. You know how to adjust the seat and start the car and adjust the side mirrors?
I think the seat is somewhere here on the.
Yeah. Do you want to
No,
move
the seat is fine.
Fine. Okay. Fine. And if you can start the engine and have a look with the foot brake. Right foot. The left foot. Yeah, the left one.
Left one.
No, keep the left foot on the side.
Yeah, it's
only
on
gonna
down.
use the right.
Yeah.
Right. The other foot, other pedal. Yeah, this one. Push it down, pedal, and then press the button. Yeah, that's it. Now, if you look up at the pedals, are you stretching your leg or you have a bend in your knee?
It's not too stretched. It's bending.
Bending, so you can reach easily.
Yeah.
Fine. Okay. And look at your speedometer. You can see everything through your speedometer. The speedometer. Yeah.
Yeah.
The temperature is 13 at the moment. It's gonna be. The red exclamation mark is for your handbrake.
Yeah.
Yeah. And it's at 0 at the moment. The big
Yeah.
time. Fine. If you can adjust this mirror, it's interior one and left and right also.
Left. Yeah.
No, adjust for yourself.
Okay.
Yeah. Then once you this one, then you get this left door mirror and right door mirror also.
There.
Yeah.
Is that correct?
Yes, you can see kind of my head restraint, your head restraint bit off, and rest you can see the back of the screen into yours.
So I can see the chair, my head.
Very little of it, not too much.
Yeah, like up to here.
Yes. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. And rest you're only seeing the back screen.
I'm not really. Wait, let me check. Because I use the glasses
Yeah.
to see. But let me see. Yeah, I can see the back seats.
Not back seat, the road.
No. Now I can see the road.
Okay.
Yeah. Now I can see the road. Yeah.
So you can see the full.
I can see the
from top to
person
row.
crossing.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. That's good. So you can see everything from that picture. If you see that is a picture, that's a frame. So you put that picture into the frame from top to bottom, right to left.
Yeah.
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 Fine with that. Perfect. Try not to put your thumb impression. It's fine. It's gonna give you kind of glare when you're looking into it, especially in the
But
night.
so I can see the road, but to see everything, I have to do this.
Fine. Then adjust a bit down.
More?
Yeah.
Down or?
Yeah, little bit down. Right.
If
Oh,
I
a little bit up.
yeah.
Yeah, up.
That is better. Yeah.
Yeah. So if you look at me, so if I'm looking this way, I'll be looking like this only.
Yeah.
not
Now I
doing-
can. Now
yeah.
I can see.
Fine.
properly.
Okay. And you can adjust the side mirrors also, right and left.
With
There's on your right side here. There's one button on top and there's a circle joystick. So one button on top, you push the left. Yeah.
Did I?
You push this one.
Yeah.
So you can see the door handles, half the
Yeah.
payment, half the houses on the tree on the left
Yeah.
side. And then you twist the top button to the right side.
The top one?
Yeah, small button here to push towards right side. One on top. So leave the circle one on the top.
The one on the right or the left?
No, one on the top, so push towards right side.
Is that
Yeah,
what I did?
all the way right here. Yeah. So now you fix the right mirror. There you go. So you can see two door handles
Yeah.
and half the road and half the sky on the right side.
Yeah.
Fine. So
Yeah.
your all three mirrors are set.
Yeah.
Yeah, fine. Now we're gonna move off from here. So we're gonna put into the gear with the foot brake. Do you want me to talk you through?
Again, yeah.
Yeah, no problem at all. Put the foot brake down. Yeah. With the yeah, that's it. Put with this button and into the D. Perfect. You can release the handbrake now. Make sure you don't lift the
Oh.
not the brake. This is the handbrake. Yeah. Lift the lever up. Gently up. A little bit up. Yeah. That's it. Down on the floor. Perfect. Keep the brake down. Yeah. Your car is holding on the brake now.
Yeah.
Fine. Have a look around you. If it's safe, left blind spot. From here, left blind spot. Left mirror.
Oh.
Forward zone. Inside mirror. Right mirror. Right shoulder. If it's safe, then we're gonna signal upright. Yeah. The harder one, so it remain up. That's it, good. Let go, gentle brake off. Straight towards 2 o'clock, gentle gas, just think it as 10p. Trust me, I have a control with me. If something goes wrong, I'll take control of it.
Okay.
And you can flip back the signals if it gets cancelled. That's it, perfect, good. Good move. Have a look this mirror, and you can see the car is the red one, right?
Yeah.
It's behind us. You find here, usually we go right, say, and we go round them. Yeah, bring the speed to 10 miles per hour. Perfect, tiny bit more gas, and steer back in, steering straight. Soon we're gonna stop the car on the left side. First we're gonna check the mirror inside, left, signal down left, and off the gas. Gentle, very gentle brake, very gentle. A little bit more to left side. A little bit more to left side, 10 o'clock. 2 o'clock steering. Gentle more brake, and more brake to stop the car. Perfect. Leave the brake on. Don't let the brake off.
Yeah.
Now put the handbrake up first. This one up. Into parking, signal off, and relax the pedal. How's the drive?
Worse. I feel it's worse than how I started.
Why you feel that way?
Maybe because I've just resumed again. I don't know. I feel like I'd forgotten everything.
Well, not you forgot, but yes, the muscle memory is still there.
Yeah.
Just to know what to do first.
Yeah.
You know what to do, gear first or handbrake first, or the observation first.
So it's the observation.
Yeah, preparation of the car. Prepare. Like
Oh, sorry, you that.
Yeah,
and
into the
then
gear.
This.
Into the
drive,
gear, drive.
Then the handbrake down.
Yeah, observation.
Then the mirror, the back, that one.
Ahead of
that,
you, front.
That and the back.
Yes, and then when we see clear, we signal upright to let people know we're gonna move off.
Yeah.
And then move off from there.
Okay.
Right. So when we're pulling up, so we check mirrors, signal down, and pull up nicely to the left side.
I feel now that last time I think when we kept doing it, I got used to like the pull up on the side. But now I feel like I just.
The gap is there. You know,
Yeah.
there was big gap there. As I mentioned earlier, also as we're discussing, the more you do,
Yeah. The
more
better
you,
you get.
yeah, fine. We're gonna move off again, and end of road we're gonna turn left. I will help you out on that point. Yeah,
Okay.
fine. So again, we're gonna do the preparation first. Yeah, this is good. This one, ahead of you, watch behind, shoulder, perfect, good signal upright. That's it, nicely. Let go the brake off, and straight away from the. And nicely up this way. We're gonna go left here, off the gas. Yeah, mirror first, inside left, and then look at the speedometer. Just keep it 3 miles per hour. No, off the gas, off the gentle brake. Stay towards my side. A little bit more, and keep it going. Keep going. That's it. No more. And a little bit more steering now, and more brake to stop. Now we're gonna use the brake here. Have a look. Right is clear.
Yeah.
Fine. We're gonna go this way, right? We're gonna go turn this way.
Do I have to keep the steering again?
Yeah, keep going off the brake first. Let the car move, and see the car is going this way now.
Yeah.
A little bit more steering. It will help you to get and start turning steering towards steering. Yeah, that's it. Good. Well done. Perfect.
Oh,
Check your
I
mirrors.
did it.
Perfect. Have a look what's behind us, and a little bit more to left side. Steering straight, and look at the speedometer. We're gonna make 10 miles, just 10 miles only. Straight more, a little bit more this way. Yeah, that's it. Nice and straight line. Speed cushion means they want you to slow down the car.
Okay.
Yeah, roughly go with the 15 miles on the speed cushion. Balance your tires on 1, 2 on each side.
Is that okay?
Yeah. Yeah, you got the major road. Don't hesitate.
Okay.
They got to give it. Yeah.
Okay.
Keep going. See the road marking on the floor?
Yeah.
So they have a give way.
Okay.
See that road has a give way there on the left
Yeah.
side. So we don't have
continue.
it. We continue. Yeah.
And there as well where that car is
Yes,
from?
yeah. See there's a triangle there?
Yeah.
It's a crossroad. The big lane we have a big lane there. So the side one is a smaller one. So they got a minor road.
Okay.
We just go off the gas here, just to be seen. Just go off the gas nicely. Perfect, good. And I will clear the road now. Away from the. Good. Maybe more right side. Gentle. That's it. Perfect. And we're gonna take the next road on the right hand side. With that road, see this road marking on the floor?
Yeah.
We're gonna go right. So we check inside mirror, down, right mirror, signal up right. Position, let me stay away from it. And after speed we're gonna go into the box. Yeah. A little more in now. Off the gas. Off the gas. I'm gonna hold it with you. Gentle brake. And gentle. Nice. Signal up right. Fine. Front is clear.
Yeah.
We go on the left side of the road, yeah? Little more forward. Yeah. Little more to this way. Yeah, good. You're doing fine. So more to left side now. More to left side. Good. Assess your mirrors. Done.
I feel like I'm doing better on that now.
Yes. And we're gonna take the next road on the left hand side, yeah. So we check mirrors. Mirrors down. Signal down, please. Yeah, little bit more this way. Off the gas, tiny bit brake in. Just to bring the speed to 3 miles per hour. That's it. Just roll with the 3 miles with it. You find, yeah? No gas here. Start turning your steering. Yeah. Keep rolling into it. Off the brake. Just tiny bit. No. Yeah, that's it. Tiny bit more. Off the gas. Little more this way. Perfect. Check your mirrors. Look at the speedometer and look where we're going. Yeah. How is it?
Better.
Yeah.
Last time I couldn't even.
Yes. Yeah. It's a little more quieter road.
But today we've done more
Turning.
of that, yeah.
We're gonna do more.
Because if it's a straight road, I can go.
We're gonna follow this road and we're gonna take the next road left.
Okay.
See the triangle on the floor? You can see that after the route speed hump, there is a triangle on the floor. So that means we are a minor road there.
Okay.
You know, triangle on the floor.
Yeah.
That's a giveaway there. So we check mirrors now. We're gonna go left, inside left. Signal here. Let me away. Off the gas. Just cover the brake. Gentle brake only. Just tiny bit brake it. Thickness 10p. Perfect. Good. Off the, yeah, just stay on the brake. Stay on the brake. Little bit more this way. Have a look. Right is clear.
Yeah.
Left is clear to go.
Yeah.
As that. We go slightly more out than turn. And now turn the steering nicely. Good. Don't push the gas. Don't push the gas. And start turning steering out. Perfect. Good. Check your mirror now. End of road, we're gonna go left again. Tiny bit gas. We check mirrors. Mirrors, these two mirrors. And again, we're gonna use the foot brake to slow down the car. Tiny bit brake in and position slightly with the curve there. Not too much. Little bit straight, steering. Little bit straight. And now steering and stop here. Stop. It's a giveaway for us. So we have to give way to them.
Okay.
Yeah, that's right. Have a look front also. They were coming this way. Is the car going?
Yeah. No, they stopped.
Fine. Let them
Now
pass.
it's okay.
They go to priority. Now we come out. No. Yeah. Off the brake. No, don't turn now. And start turning now. Perfect. Assess your mirrors again for the traffic behind us and look at the speedometer and squeeze the gas pedal thickness of 10p and make your progress. Bring the speed to 10 miles per hour. Keep going, keep going. See, position a little bit more in within the line. What's your speed now at the moment?
Here?
15, no, the center one. The big
15?
15, yes.
Yeah.
Good. Keep it 15. See the crossroad coming up? We're going to take the next road left. So we check inside mirror. Signal down here. Left mirror, signal then. Just a little bit more this way. Cover the brake. Tiny bit brake in, away from the car. Keep it nice and straight. Cover the brake, please. Keep the foot on the brake, no gas. Keep the foot on the brake, yeah. Keep going nicely. Keep going, yes. Keep going, keep going. And start turning your steering toward left side, please. Tiny bit gas, thickness to 10p only, just thickness to 10p. A little bit more in and start turning steering out now. Perfect. Check your mirrors, look at the speedometer and make a little bit progress here.
I think it now makes sense. You let the car go.
Yeah.
And then as soon as you see that the car is gone,
Into
you bring it back.
Yes, yeah. If you bring it back early, so you're gonna go on that side of the road, or you push the gas too much, you're gonna go into you're gonna into the cars then.
Makes sense.
Slightly off the gas here. If you see speed humps, they make that to make you slow down.
Okay.
Maybe 8 miles per hour with the foot brake on, with the gentle brake. So pedestrians can move out, or they're still there on the road.
They're off.
So we're gonna go slightly away from them. Slightly away from them. Away from them. That's it. Good. Nice thing. You have straight line there. We're gonna take the next road on the left hand side. Mirrors back first. Left one, signal down left. And look at the speedometer. It's 10 miles at the moment. Yeah, it's 5 now.
Yeah.
Stay with the 5 miles. Keep nice 5 miles, just 5 miles. And now drop to the 3 miles. Foot brake with the foot brake. And turn with the 3 miles, please. Keep rolling into it. Turn it off. No worry, no worry. Don't not. That's it. A little bit more. And see the small cut here. You can see the road here. You follow with that. Assess your mirrors. Center of the road. More right side. Yeah, more center of the lane. No, right side. Here. Center mean here.
Okay.
Yeah. Because of park cars, we drive in the middle of the road.
Okay.
When is the center? So you were going this way, left side. We'll discuss on that. Have a look. The delivery van is there. So keep it nice in the middle of the road. You got no giveaway, right?
Yeah.
So be away from it. And end of road, we're gonna turn left again, please. We're gonna go left. Mirrors first. And signal down. Again, we discussed about the closed junction. So we can't see the traffic flow. We'll slow down here for the foot brake. More brake, gentle brake, 3 miles, slightly 5 minutes to steady left side, 5 minutes. Yeah, like this one, fine. Right is clear?
Yeah.
Fine. As you're turning in, yeah, good. A little bit more towards left. And start turning straight out. Look mirrors now. Look at the speedometer and we squeeze the gas pedal with thickness of 10p. Away from the, yeah, that's fine. Good here. Because park cars on the curve now, so we have enough space